Welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a virtual tour of the top luxury apartments in France. From charming Parisian abodes to lavish coastal retreats, France offers an array of exquisite living spaces that embody luxury and elegance. So let's begin our journey. Our first stop is Paris, the city of love and a global center for art, fashion, and culture. Paris boasts some of the most prestigious and opulent apartments in the world. The city's unique blend of historic charm and contemporary design creates an enchanting atmosphere for luxury living. Location: luxury apartments in Paris are located in some of the most prestigious neighborhoods of the city, such as the Marais, Saint-Germain-des-Prés, and the Champs-Élysées. Facilities: luxury apartments in Paris typically offer a wide range of high-end facilities to cater to the needs and wants of their residents. These may include 24-hour concierge service, housekeeping, fitness centers, spa facilities, private parking, and security systems. Decoration: the decoration of luxury apartments in Paris typically blends classic Parisian architecture and design with modern elements. Ornate moldings, high ceilings, and large windows are common features of luxury apartments in Paris. Balconies with stunning city views. Expenses: generally, luxury apartments in Paris can be quite expensive, with monthly rent for a one-bedroom apartment typically ranging from €3,000 to €8,000 or more. Next, we head to the French Riviera, known for its glamorous lifestyle and breathtaking coastline. Here, you'll find a plethora of luxurious apartments that offer a perfect blend of elegance and tranquility. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing against the shore and stepping onto your private terrace to soak in the picturesque views of the Mediterranean. Location: luxury apartments in the French Riviera are typically located in some of the most desirable areas along the Mediterranean coast, such as Saint-Tropez, Cannes, and Monaco. Facilities: luxury apartments on the French Riviera typically offer a wide range of upscale facilities to cater to the needs and desires of their residents. Many luxury apartments on the French Riviera also offer access to private beaches, yacht moorings, and golf courses. Decoration: luxury apartments in the French Riviera are often decorated with a blend of Mediterranean and contemporary styles, featuring light colors and natural materials such as wood and stone. Outdoor spaces such as balconies, terraces, and gardens are often designed to maximize the beauty of the surrounding landscape. Expenses: the cost of renting or purchasing a luxury apartment on the French Riviera can vary widely depending on the property's location, size, and amenities. Moving on, we venture into the stunning French countryside, where vineyards and chateaux dot the landscape. This region offers a unique opportunity to experience the charm of rural France while enjoying the comforts of a luxurious apartment. This enchanting apartment combines rustic elements with contemporary design, providing a serene and lavish retreat. Location: apartments in the French countryside are typically located in charming villages, historic towns, or sprawling country estates. Popular regions for luxury apartments in the French countryside include Provence, the Loire Valley, and the Dordogne. Facilities: luxury apartments in the French countryside typically offer a range of facilities to cater to the needs and desires of their residents. These may include private swimming pools, tennis courts, fitness centers, spa facilities, and gardens. Decoration: luxury apartments in the French countryside are often decorated with traditional French style and modern design elements. Expenses: the cost of renting or purchasing a luxury apartment in the French countryside can vary widely depending on the property's location, size, and amenities. Generally, apartments in the French countryside are less expensive than those in cities or along the coast. Last but not least, we make our way to the French Alps, where snow-capped mountains and picturesque ski resorts create an idyllic setting for luxury apartments. Location: luxury apartments in the French Alps are typically located in the most desirable ski resorts, such as Chamonix, Courchevel, and Val d'Isère. Facilities. Luxury apartments in the French Alps typically offer a range of facilities to cater to the needs and desires of their residents. Decoration. Luxury apartments in the French Alps are often decorated with alpine charm and modern design elements. Expenses. Purchasing a luxury apartment in the French Alps can also be quite pricey, ranging from several €100,000 to several million euros. This stunning alpine retreat offers a seamless blend of alpine charm and modern luxury. With ski and ski-out access, spa facilities, and breathtaking mountain views, residents can enjoy the perfect combination of adventure and relaxation. And that concludes our tour of the top luxury apartments in France. Whether you prefer the vibrant energy of the city, the serenity of the coast, the tranquility of the countryside, or the thrill of the mountains, France has it all. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey, and we hope to see you again soon.